The VB6 arrays hold data of a single type. You can divide VB6 arrays into two sets, one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional arrays. The arrays in VB6 are also classified based on keywords used to declare them. Regular arrays, it is declared using keyword dim whole values remain variable. Dynamic arrays, a standard array can be expanded for more space, hence, it is called dynamic array. Static arrays, a static variable does change its value after exiting a procedure in which they were declared. Static arrays do the same and retain their value between procedure calls. Private arrays, the scope is limited to the procedure in which it is defined. Public arrays, the scope is an entire program or module. Type arrays, this is for user-defined array types. The regular arrays are the usual way of declaring an array using the dim statement. The syntax to declare a regular array is given above. To assign values to array elements, refer to them using an index and then assign value like any normal variable. A dynamic array does not have a fixed size, it is expanded dynamically. The dim statement is used to declare an array without any subscript value between the parentheses. The next step after declaring the array is to set the length of the array. Since this is a dynamic array, we could increase the size multiple times. Redim, to declare the size of the dynamic array. Preserve, this keyword is to preserve the data while expanding the size of the existing array. Variable underscore name, user-defined name of the array. Subscript, the value of subscript can be an integer or, lower to, upper. Type, this defines the data type of the array. It could be byte, boolean, long, single, double, currency, date, integer, and string. The array function is a special function in VB6 that takes array values. It directly assigns it to a variant type variable. The variant type variable becomes an array of the type supplied in the argument list. In VB6, there is also a container called collection. The collections are interesting because they have the following properties. Can contain different data types. Have their own index. Have their own methods. The collection has different types of methods to manage the collection and its items. They are listed below. Add, to add items to the collection. Remove, to remove an item from the collection. Count, to count the number of items in the collection. Item, access any item in the collection using its index. In this program, we will accept the items through a text box and use the add method of collection. We can display and show the collection items respectively. The output to the previous program will be